Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Chevy Malibu trunk. First, ensure your vehicle is unlocked. You can typically use your key fob to unlock the doors and the trunk simultaneously. If that doesn't work, look for a dedicated trunk release button on the fob itself. This button often has a trunk icon and requires a sustained press to activate. Your key fob is usually the easiest way to open the trunk. Just press and hold the trunk release button for a few seconds until you hear the latch disengage. If you're inside the car, look for a trunk release button, often on the driver's side door panel or dashboard. Pressing this button should also pop the trunk open, assuming the car is on or in accessory mode. If electronic methods fail, you might need the manual release. This is typically a glow-in-the-dark lever located inside the trunk, near the latch. You can access it by folding down the rear seats. Also, check for a valet lock button, often in the glove compartment or console, which can disable the trunk release. Make sure it's not activated. For emergency access, especially if you're locked out or the battery is dead, you'll need to get into the car and fold down the rear seats. This allows you to crawl into the trunk and pull the internal emergency release handle. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. These steps should help you open your Malibu trunk in almost any situation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.